Like, is my lashes even on? Oh my God, are they on? Like, really? Hey dolls, it's your girl Jazzy J. Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, it's gonna be a vloggy vlog. I'm actually getting ready to head out to go to see my podiatrist. It's been, I don't know, maybe 5-6 months since my foot surgery. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. I had bunion surgery back in September of 2021, and I am going through the healing process. It's been a hard process. Last time I went to the doctor, he said that the bone was at 60% healing. So I've been experiencing a lot of pain. I still can't wear the shoes that I want to wear. I still have to wear special sneakers. Every now and then I try to get into some of my old shoes, but it has been a struggle. So I have been documenting since day one my bunion journey. So today I just felt like this would be necessary because I've already shared from day one surgery up to now. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me to the doctor, and let's pray that I'm closer to healing, or maybe the stuff that I got to tell him today, he can kind of get a solution for me because I'm struggling. With that said, let's go because, yeah, I have like 5 minutes to get there, but it's right up the street. So let me get the heck out of here because I'm like always running late. So let's go. I need a pedicure. Don't judge me. Scared to get one, but I definitely need one.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Well, I'm trying to see what's up.
I know. A lot is up.
Is it wiggling?
Oh, yeah.
You did the physical therapy?
I did, but I'm done with them. But I still do therapy at home.
Okay. Looks like it's not quite healed yet. If you look here, usually I see this callus formation comes down a little bit more intense once I see the complete healing, and I can kind of make out this line just a little bit. Because this is not probably completely healed yet. I might want to give it some more time, but we can always take that hardware out.
I'll pick up the camera and talk to you guys a little later. I kind of need a moment to like really think about what's going on right now. So I'll talk to you guys soon.
Later.
Hey doll, so I'm back. It's much later in the day. I'm feeling a little bit better now. I know I was so emotional on that last clip, but yeah, I'm feeling much better. I'm standing out in my garage. I'm getting ready to go on a bike ride, me and the kids, just to help me kind of get my mind off of things and just enjoy the weather because it's like almost 80 degrees right now. It feels amazing. So yeah, much better. I just wanted to check in with you guys because I know that last clip was starting to get a little emotional, and I don't want to, put it's just weird being emotional on camera. So I'm about to enjoy the day, me and the kids, and get out here and enjoy this sunlight because it feels amazing.
I don't think you've ever even done that.
Guys, we are riding, and my daughter just realized that there's a cat under there. Hold on.
Oh, the cat's not stuck.
Kitty, kitty. That's crazy. We're not going to try to get that cat. We're going to leave it right under there because it's probably just under there because it's hot. But that's so weird. We literally just started riding, and my daughter knows that there was a cat under there, under the drainage thing. All right, guys, y'all ready? Like, to go? Because we barely moved, and we already done stopped. Son, you good? You good with your bike? You like you're having issues. All right, guys, so we about to go for this ride and see how far we can go. This is actually good therapy, mentally and physically for me. So, y'all ready? All right, let's go.
I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
The next day.
Hey, dolls, what's up? So, it is the next day. I literally had to think about that. But I'm getting ready to go out tonight for a birthday dinner. A young lady that is friends with my guy best friend. So they're best friends, but me and him are best friends. So I met her once at my birthday party, and she invited me to her birthday party. So I'm getting ready to go with him, waiting on his slow behind to get here. I'm a girl, and I got dressed before him, and I went to work today and managed to put myself together wearing this little lace jumpsuit, which I'll put a picture up here on the screen so you can kind of see my whole outfit. But yeah, looking cute. I went back to the 90s, honey. Y'all don't remember wearing your little two pieces in the front. But yeah, my outfit is giving tonight, honey. Even though I'm pissed because I can't wear no shoes that I want to wear, I'm literally gonna hold on. I am going to try to wear these shoes, which I know I'm not supposed to. I don't even know how it's going to work out, but these. They fit pretty comfortable, but it's the heel. I'm not sure how it's going to work out for me. I'm already having issues, but these I am going to try to wear these tonight. I don't know, y'all. But we're going to see. I'm going to do a quick scan up down so y'all can kind of see my outfit. But even though I put the picture up there, I want y'all to kind of like get into my fit for tonight.
Where I wanna be, here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough, too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let.
1 hour later.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough, too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me.
Alright guys, so we're at the restaurant. I didn't get to show y'all in the car, but that's my boy best friend.
Yes.
Okay. Carl, he was in my birthday video. Y'all watch that video, you see him in that video. But we're late as hell thanks to him. So everybody's eating. we about to try to get our food.
I'm always late.
Yes, he is. I actually was ready.
Yes, I was.
Where's your daddy?
How you gonna sing your own song?
Happy birthday to you. Hey.
But you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Hey guys, so I have made it back from the birthday dinner. It was so much fun. Everybody was such a vibe. The food was so good. It was called Love Seafood. It was so good. And your girl is feeling a little tipsy. I'm not gonna lie, just a little bit. Pequeño? Is that small? I don't know. My Spanish is terrible. I'm feeling so lit, but I just wanted to come on here and properly end my vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, comment, like, share with your friends, hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. I am so freaking lit. I'm just ready to take all this makeup off and go to sleep. Is my lashes even on? Oh my god, are they on? Like, really? This one look like it's I don't know. I'm tripping. But anyway, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as She's So Jazzy J. And I'll see you guys on my next video. You guys stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
You always make me feel like home. Yeah.